Hi friends, my name is Suzanne and I am a Canadian Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I want to welcome you to an annual series called Rockin' the Retiring List. Stampin' Up's new annual catalog is just around the corner, but I was hoping to celebrate and utilize some of the retiring products that are available now, and if all goes well, I can share some creative ideas using these items. So follow along with me for the next little while for some crafty fun and inspiration with the Stampin' Up retiring list. Well, hello kids. We have another card from the Artistically inked stamp set. I promise this will be my last one and the last time I play with this stamp set because it is retired. Now, not all the things that I'm using today, like these inks, are retiring because they're not. We have crumb cake, wild wheat, and crushed curry in the middle. And I'm taking this leaf image and I'm inking up with wild wheat, which is a very pretty autumnal gold color. However, well, it's almost like browny yellow. I don't know how to explain it, but, and it's very strong. So what I ended up doing was stamping off on a scrap piece of paper and then applying it to my card. So this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 piece of basic white card. And now I moved into crushed curry, and crushed curry is a very bright curry-like yellow. So I wanted this more muted. So these are sort of the colors, I guess, that you would find in early fall. You know, I know it's the wrong season, but I had to do it. Do you ever have like a card design in your head that you just have to do? And this is the reason why we have 3 artistically inked card videos for the Rockin' the Retiring list, because I had a couple of these ideas swimming around in my head and I wanted to utilize them. There is a smaller leaf image and that is what I used here. And then I used the thanks sentiment that comes in the stamp set. And if you notice, I haven't really touched on any of the flowers that are in this stamp set, and it's because I'm pretty sure that there's a ton of people that have already done this. So what I'm doing here is flicking the nib of my pecan pie marker in the lid and creating some spritz of ink so that it gives sort of an ethereal look to the card. I have inked up my sentiment thanks with Stays On ink, which, because we're using a beautiful red rubber stamp, Stays On ink, the jet black version creates a beautiful, crisp, clean sentiment. There's no running, there's no nothing. If you have a red rubber stamp or even, you know, a different, not necessarily photopolymer, I wouldn't use your photopolymers. Anyway, I digress. This is the classic matte dots, which are retiring. That one was a slippery little sucker. It was a gray one that wanted to join, but I thought I would just use the white and the black. And I'm pretty much finished with this card. I put that on a card base of 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. Okay kids, that is my share for today. I will list the products I used in the description of this video and in the supply section of my blog. If you have found value in this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of me rocking the retiring list, please subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. So comment below if you have a question or just want to say hi. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.